Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to transplant my zinnia seedlings. I grew them from seeds and you can see they are nice size now. They have got 2 to 3 sets of true leaves and they are ready to go in the ground or in the patio containers. So I'm going to plant 2 to 3 patio containers with zinnia seedlings. I have got these 40 centimeter diameter patio containers. These are plastic containers and they have terracotta finish. I have filled them with multi-purpose compost, which is nice and loose, and it has got added fertilizer in it, which is slow release fertilizer, so it will help the plants to establish faster. However, I will fertilize the plants on a weekly schedule with a water soluble fertilizer, with a well balanced fertilizer which has equal ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So today I'm just going to plant my seedlings, and in this size of container you can accommodate 8 to 10 zinnia plants. Zinnias can grow like 2 to 3 feet tall and they produce really nice, beautiful, colorful blooms all summer long, and they are really good plants to go in a vegetable garden or in a flower garden. You can also plant them in the ground in the middle of a flower border as they get a really nice height and put on a really beautiful display of colors. But I like to plant them in the containers as they are annual plants, which means they will die when the first frost comes. So basically, you can grow them on their own. So you can just make a container of zinnia plants and it will look absolutely beautiful. I grew zinnias last year as well in the containers and they put on a really beautiful show throughout the summer. However, you can also mix them with other plants, so you can use them as a centerpiece and you can put some other plants like petunias as a filler and lobelias as a spiller. However, I have done my other patio containers already where I put geraniums and lobelias and petunias and a perennial flowering plant. So I'm not going to do a lot of mixed containers. So I like to grow more uniform containers with more uniform plants in it. So there are lots of ideas to use these plants in your garden. You can mix them with other annuals, you can mix them with some perennials, you can grow them in your flower borders or in raised beds or in patio containers. They are really versatile plants. And also you can use their blooms in cut flower arrangements, so they produce really nice elongated colorful blooms which are really good for using in fresh flower arrangements. So you can cut them and make beautiful arrangements all summer long. So they are highly attractive plants. Bees and butterflies are really attracted to them, so they help in attracting pollinators in your garden. So if you plant them near your vegetable plants, they can benefit from those pollinators. So they are really beautiful, bright dark green leaves, shiny dark green leaves, and I really like the green leaves as well and blooms as well. So I think they are really versatile plants and they are really easy to grow. You can start them from seeds, and I have done a separate video where I started them from seeds, so I will include the link in the description box if you are interested to know how I started them from seeds. After they are this size, you can plant them wherever you want and just water them when the soil is dry and fertilize them on a weekly schedule, and you will be amazed with how these plants perform throughout summer for you. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.